CI/CD pipeline explained in 5 minutes. The CI/CD pipeline is a cornerstone of modern DevOps and agile software development. It stands for Continuous Integration CI and Continuous Delivery/Deployment CD, a set of practices and tools used to automate and streamline software development, testing, and deployment. What is CI/CD? CI, Continuous Integration. Developers regularly merge, integrate. Code changes into a shared repository, often multiple times a day. Each integration triggers automated builds and tests, ensuring new code doesn't break the existing application. CD, Continuous Delivery/Deployment. After passing tests, the application is automatically delivered continuous delivery or deployed continuous deployment to a staging or production environment. The goal is to release software updates faster and more reliably. Key stages of a CI/CD pipeline. Code commit. Developers write code and push it to a version control system, like Git. This triggers the CI pipeline. Build. The system compiles the code, checks dependencies, and prepares it for deployment. If the build fails, developers are notified immediately. Automated testing. Automated unit integration and UI tests run to catch bugs early. Only code that passes all tests moves forward. Artifact creation. The pipeline creates deployable files called artifacts, like Docker images or application packages. Deployment CD. Continuous delivery. The code is pushed to a staging or QA environment. Manual approval may be required before production. Continuous deployment. The code automatically goes to production without manual intervention. Monitoring and feedback. After deployment, monitoring tools track performance, errors, and user feedback to catch issues quickly. Benefits of CI/CD. Faster releases. Automates testing and deployment, allowing for frequent updates. Higher quality. Early bug detection reduces production issues. Lower risk. Smaller. Incremental changes are easier to troubleshoot. Improved collaboration. Encourages teamwork and shared responsibility. Quick rollbacks. Easy to revert to a stable version if something goes wrong. Popular CI/CD tools. CI tools: Jenkins, GitHub Actions, GitLab CI, Circle CI, Travis CI. CD tools: Spinnaker, Argo CD, Harness, Octopus Deploy. Supporting tools: Docker, Kubernetes, Ansible, Terraform. Real-world example. Imagine a team building a web application. A developer commits a new feature. The CI pipeline automatically builds the app and runs tests. If successful, the CD pipeline deploys it to a staging server. After approval, it goes live, without manual file transfers or server configurations. Final thoughts. The CI/CD pipeline is essential for modern software development. It brings speed, reliability, and automation to the release process. Whether you're a developer, QA, or DevOps engineer, understanding CI/CD will help you build and deliver better software, faster and safer.